Good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everyone, and how do you do? I am fine. What about you? You are fine. Okay. Children, I am very happy. You all done your test? Very well. Good job. Okay, children, now tell me which day will come after Thursday? Can you tell me which day will come after Thursday? Yes, good job. Friday. So children, today is Friday. Today is Friday. Children, first of all, we will sing song. There are 7 days. Okay. Now tell me how many days in a week? Can you tell me how many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, now sing song. Show me your 7 finger. Yes, now start. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So children, today is Friday. Today is Friday and today we will learn new sound. Okay. First of all, okay children, now first of all, okay children, do you remember which sound we learned yesterday? Can you tell me which sound is this? E. E. Can you sing song? E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink on wet. The ink is spread all over the decks. Ink is wet. E. E for what is this? Inchy tape. Very good. And for, tell me what is this? Iguana. E for ink pot. Injection. Igloo. So children, today we will learn new sound. Okay, see. Say J. J. Which sound is this? J. Say all of you. J. 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 Can you sing song with me related to the J sound? Okay, first of all of you stand up. Please stand up. Stand up children. I am waiting. Good. Very good. Don't sit. I am watching you. Stand up. Yes. And repeat after me. Okay? Okay children. Now sing with me. Okay? Repeat after me. Okay? Say jelly and jam. Jelly and jam jingling on the plate. Jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat? Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Okay. Jelly and jam. Jelly and jam jingling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Okay, now sing. Jelly and jam, jingling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with the ja, 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 ja. Sing children. Jelly and jam, jingling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it with the j. Jelly and jam, jingling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Jelly and jam, jingling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Jelly and jam. Okay, jingling. See, jingling. Okay. So, children, now sit down. Sit down. I will show you some things related to the j sound. Which sound? J. Don't say ja. J. J नहीं बोलना है आपको. Okay, don't say J. 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 Which sound is this? J. Okay. Well, J. J for jelly. J for jam. J for jam. J for jam. J for juice. J for juice. J for jewelry. J for jewelry. Okay. J for joker. See children, joker. J for joker. Okay. Okay children. See. J for jacket. J for jacket. J for jug. J for jug. Okay. J for jar. J for jar. Jar. J for jeans. See children. J for jeans. Okay. Student, this is a J sound. Which sound is this? J. Repeat one more time. J for jam. J for jewelry. J for jelly. J for juice. J for joker. J for jeep. J for jug. J for jar. J for jar. J for jacket. Jacket. J for jacket. J for jeans. J for jeans. Children, this is a J sound. Which sound is this? J. All of you, now all of you take out your English book. Please children, take out English book and take out page number 23. And now see, J, jelly. J, jacket. J, jeep. J, jug. J for jacket. J for jeep. J for jelly. J for jug. Say J for jacket. Put your finger. J for jacket. J for jeep. J for jelly. J for jug. Okay. Students, which sound is this? J. Which sound is this? J. And sing song one more time. Jelly and jam, jingling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Children, which sound is this? J. J. Okay, now I will give you homework. Please do picture reading from the book. Say J for jacket, J for jeep, J for jelly, J for jug. Okay, and send me by taking video. We will meet you again with my next video. Bye. See you. Tata. Bye-bye.